ladies and gents, we're at Timberlake, Ohio, and now I'm about to ride back to New York City. Everything is strapped, everything is ready to go. Uh, 480 miles. Here I come. Trying to be quiet. They have a baby, so man, I had such a good time on the lake. It's like magical. A magical time. I guess I got some gas. I thought I'm gonna need gas right away, but I think we'll get some gas in 100 miles. Adjust my mirrors, make sure I can actually see. Very nice. I'm mostly gonna do highways, unfortunately, just because of the interest of time. 500 miles is actually quite a bit of miles. Beautiful breeze. I just gotta pull over right here for a sec, double check something. I want to make sure something is right. Dang it. We are 100% okay. There's always a moment of silly panic. Oh, did I forget my freaking wallet and keys type of shit? That's what I was doing there. Alright, now we can actually tuck in and go. This is so nice. So yeah, basically I went up to Ohio to see my buddy Caleb, and we were chilling at his lake, grilling, bonfires till First night was till 2 a.m. and then till midnight. Some of his friends came over. It was great. Yeah, he just moved here from New York City, from essentially Midtown Manhattan, and yeah. Now he's here, and I definitely am happy I visited him, and I definitely am going to visit him again in the future, 100%. I'm gonna sure my bags are okay, everything is strapped, everything is good. Just want to get on the highway. Famous last words, I don't. This highway is gonna beat me up. This is like a nice chill pace. This is very calm and cool. I'm not gonna get food till later. I didn't have any breakfast or anything, but I lubed my chain this morning, so that was smart of me. That was a smart move. Let's see, 2.6 miles. And then we get into 90 west. Yes. I just need some air. I just need some desperate air. Good Lord. Look at that. They're having a track day over here. Very cool. So far no progress. This is why I didn't go this way, but I guess there's not going to be much more of this until after I get out of here. Not the most exciting drive. The back roads were funner. Long lights too. Awful. We're gonna go by downtown Cleveland, but I guess not. I guess not today. All good. '90 west. Is what we need. apartments. School. I really like downtown Cleveland too. That was actually super cute. All the sports arenas and areas next to each other. And we ate at this lake house spot. Delicious fish and chips. It was like a huge barge going by. The whole thing was just a hoot. Very scenic. Very cute. All right. Cute little businesses, Subway, this and that. Even the highway areas are pretty. I'll be honest. There's a couple of sections that are wavy, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna stop at a park or two. I don't have to be home at any specific time. I don't. Yeah, so I'm just chilling. Nice. Sick, sick, sick. I'm digging the shorts, brother. I'm digging the shorts. Alright, let's get on the highway. Time to tuck in. Alright, boys and girls, I will talk to you later. I will pop back in if there's something to show. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.